A very good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel. Welcome to Barthang Manang. As you might have seen my last vlog, we came here last evening around 4:30 p.m. Checked into our hotel, had dinner, and we rested. And it's a brand new morning here today. Big day as we ride to Manang. The distance is not much. It should be around 25 kilometers, but the time should take about 2 hours from where we're starting now. Stay tuned for another exciting Moto Nepal right here on the channel. Episode 6, and it's day 5 as we explore Nepal. Well, it's a Monday morning, 23rd of September 2024. Stay with us as we explore Nepal. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Well, the Barthang Apple Farm or the Agro Manag is located at the picturesque and beautiful Manang Valley, which is about 3,000 meters above sea level, and is one of the highest density apple farm project in Nepal on a large scale. And the hospitality and the food. Don't forget, the food and service was top notch. The whole experience of coming to this place here in Manang was very, very good. Well, the link to this beautiful property, I'm going to leave it down in my description box below. You can click on the link and find the space. So if you have any comments, suggestions, do write on my comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Stay tuned for an exciting Manang. Well, life is short. Keep it simple, keep it happy, keep smiling, spread the happiness. Life will feel so amazing. Be in nature, explore nature. End of the day, it's all about being happy. Stay outdoors, be in nature, smile a lot more, laugh a lot more, be happy with whatever you have, love what you do what you love, and stop chasing. Don't be in a rat race. Life will seem a lot more beautiful. Laughter is the best medicine, and nature has all its cures. So what are you waiting for? So hope you like the drone shots of this place. Stay tuned. So that was a walk around of the apple farm where we're staying today. Last night, and we're going to be checking out in a bit. So stay tuned as we ride to Manang today. So Manang Valley is where we're riding. We're heading to Manang today, and that's the place we're staying. The apple farm and the apple factory. We had apple juice, apple wine, apple brandy, apple donuts. A lot of apple here in the Manang Valley at the apple farms. Beautiful place. If you're coming around Manang in Nepal, you should try this place out. Very, very well maintained, good place. I would highly recommend this place if you're coming around Manang. So we're off from apple farm. Night stay
Here we go. This is the fast sections just before Manang, which I heard of. It's really fast. You can maintain very good speeds. I'm doing about 60 right now. Third, fourth gear. Yesterday we were mostly in first and second. Today it's mostly third and fourth. If I'm in fourth, I would reach 80s. 70s, 80s, so that's fast.
Well, if you enjoyed this beautiful Moto Nepal series, do give me a thumbs up on my YouTube channel. Also write any comments if you have any suggestions to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Thank you for watching. And always stay in nature, explore nature, be in nature, you come from nature, and eventually you go back to nature. Well, stay curious, keep smiling, spread the happiness, spread the joy, it doesn't cost you anything. Towns, the people, the hotels, and the whole experience along was something very, very different. Well, as we rode up to Manang, the scenery got so beautiful. The rivers got wider and wider, and we got to see a lot of glaciers. The whole experience was mesmerizing as we rode up to Manang. Hope you're enjoying the entire experience along with me as I ride the KTM adventure up this Nepali Himalayan mountains.
So this is Manang town, and we are staying in a place called the Royal Manang. 3650 meters. What should be around 12,000 feet approximately. 13,000 feet above sea level. Oh wow, this is Manang for you, and we are on the Manang highway. One of the main roads of Manang. It's like a 6 feet, not 60 feet, 6 feet road. Oh my god, this is a walking path. Oh. There is a bike, so there should be a way. Whoa. Super fun town this is, Manang. The streets are super narrow. Trekking here on Annapurna region, so they're very well stocked and people are well spoken. Huh? Bandro. I know. I followed you. This is the streets of Manang. This is the Gangapurna lake right behind me, and up above on the background is the Gangapurna range. Right there, the snow-capped mountain. That's the one. Well, from the beautiful Manang, I'm going to sign off for the day. Short ride from the apple farms, and we did a little bit of exploring around Manang. I'm going to chill for the night. Nothing much. It's pretty cold, getting cold already. It's 6 p.m. Hope you like the shots of the lake. That was the Gangapurna lake. Also, I got a few shots of Annapurna 3 actually. Annapurna 2 was a little bit covered with clouds, and Annapurna 1 is obviously the other side. So that we would probably see when we go around to Lower Mustang. So thank you for watching this. Hope you like my review. If you do like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments, do write on my comment section below. And follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the next one, that's tomorrow. And sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you for watching.